If your LG washer won't turn on, there are several possible reasons for this issue. First, power supply problems can prevent the washing machine from functioning. This can occur if the washer is not receiving power or adequate voltage, which may be due to a faulty power cord, inadequate voltage transmission from the outlet, or a tripped circuit breaker. Another reason is related to the washer door. If the door latch is not shut properly, the washer won't turn on. This can be caused by an obstruction, dirt, or damage to the door. A faulty control board can also be the culprit, as it controls the washer's functions, and damage to it can prevent the washer from turning on, often accompanied by visible signs like burn marks. To resolve these issues, start by checking the power supply to ensure the outlet and cords are transmitting adequate voltage, and that the power cord and outlet are functioning properly. If the circuit breaker has tripped, simply switch it back on. Next, inspect the door latch to ensure it is firmly and fully closed, and remove any obstacles preventing it from closing. If the latch is faulty, consider replacing it. Finally, inspect the control board, tightening any loose connections and using a multimeter to check for continuity. If the control board is damaged, it may need to be replaced. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your LG washer.